Question 7. I think everyone knows what to do, but they make mistakes on this one. And so I'm going to have to take it a little bit slower. Squaring. Well, we need to do these two things times together. And clearly we've got 1 times 1 here, which is 1. And we've got 3 over x times 3 over x, which is 9 over x squared. The bit that some people are forgetting is in the middle there, you've got 3 over x. And round the outside there, you've got another 3 over x. And then you need to know 3 add 3. Well, 3 over x add 3 over x is 6 over x. So first bit was supposed to be multiplying out. Now you're supposed to use the binomial for this one here. And with the first term is just 1 to the power of 6. Then we've got 1 to the power of 5 and 3/4 to the power of 1. But we've got the combinations for that as well. We've got 6 choose 1 here to think of. Continuing the pattern down, we've got 6 choose 2. Then there's 4 1s, sorry, 1 to the 4 and 3/4 squared. It did ask for another one as well, so we've got to do 6 choose 3 times by 1 cubed and 3/4 cubed as well. Notice the 3 add the 3 makes the 6 each time. So tidying each of that a bit up, we've now got 1, and just typing this into our calculator, I've got 6 times 1 times 3/4, and I call 6 times 3/4 is 9 over 2. Now, 6 choose 2 for the next bit is 11. I've got to do then 11 times 3/4 squared, and I'm getting 135 over 16 for that one. And now 6 choose 3, I've got as 20. 20 times by 3/4 cubed. 20 times 3/4 cubed. I've got another 135 over 16. X cubed. I missed my x's out there, sorry about that. That confused me initially. I was worried that those two were both the same, but it did turn out to be correct. Now I'm going to make a mess on my screen here now then by saying we want to find the coefficient of x, and under there it says I had to times these two things together. So to get a coefficient of x, I could just do 1 times by 9 over x. So my first bit is 9 over 2x. But I could do it another way. I could multiply this by this, in that I've got x squared times by 1 over x, and that would leave me with just an x as well. So the next bit I need is 135 over 16 times by 6. And I can do it again for the last one. Look, this one times this one, the x cubed would cancel with that x squared just to leave an x. And so I've also got 135 over 16 times by 9 there. The grand total of all of that on the calculator, I can't read my own writing now, I think it's 2097 over 16. I apologise if I've read that wrong. I suppose I could tap it in the calculator and find out, but so could you. So I've got 9 divided by 2 plus 135 divided by 16 times by 6 plus 135 divided by 16 times by 9 equals 1097. Why did I doubt it?